Howdy. I was supposed to write something, but then Fuego popped up. And, yeah, I just wanted to share a part. I don't know if that's in the final paper, but at least it's now here for once. Common geological theory has no coherent explanation of how the traps were formed, and we are talking about the Siberian traps. According to Linda T. Elkin Stanton Mitsui, Associate Professor of Geology, MIT Department Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences, Cambridge. No single scientist or set of scientists from a single field can bring sufficiently broad expertise to this problem. The quote was the source of the quote is International Association of Volcanology and Chemistry of Earth's Interior, August 2011. LIP of the month, Large Igneous Provinces, org. So let's give Dan a layman the possibility to share some thoughts about the Siberian traps from a different perspective. It would be just fair. That's a screenshot from Daytime Today. Volcano Fuego, Guatemala. Watch this region here. Maybe we should press play. Yeah, there is somehow the quality, as you can see, that's the live stream. There's like many frames are missing. But nonetheless, there is something. And once again, the ash plume is turning to the left, but those stay in place. They don't seem to be affected by the wind too much. And one could expect that it can be quite windy there and 3,500 meters above sea level. And if you just put pause and this thing moved maybe from here to here. No, I missed. Let's get some tools. That's approximately the distance. And in the same time, this plume moved that much. I just wanted to point that out. These are the screenshots I took. I hoped to get the clouds a bit better visible here on the side. And it's really interesting. As you can see, there's something from here rising up. And I'm not sure, is there anything to that we have this kind of, in a way, vertical structures here in the sky as well. I don't know if that's just random pixelation accidents or whatever. But there are these kind of regions which are differently colored. I don't know, doesn't mean anything, I have no idea. This is what I got. And that's a little collage. It is approximately in the same position. Day and night. And now to something completely different. Solar flare causes radio blackouts in parts of Asia and Australia. Sun to remain active this week. Yes. Does this even work? I don't know. Let's see. A radio blackout was caused over the areas of Asia and Australia by a solar flare on Sunday, according to spaceweather.com. Solar activities are ramping up day by day after a gigantic storm hit Earth on Thursday, the spaceweather.com further said. According to the American Space Agency, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, solar flare activity includes flares. Solar activity includes flares, coronal mass ejection, high-speed solar wind, and solar energetic particles. The solar magnetic field is the driving force behind all solar activity. The solar magnetic field. Yeah, you don't get a magnetic field without electricity. The spaceweather.com report said that a significant shortwave radio blackout occurred throughout Southeast Asia and Australia on April 17th yesterday as a result of an X-ray pulse from the flare at frequencies below 30 megahertz. It further said the mariners, aviators, and amateur radio operators may have noted peculiar propagation effects. It has been confirmed by the chronograph images NASA Solar and Heliospheric Observatory SOHO that the explosion heralded a coronal mass ejection into space. Meanwhile, get ready for more flares. The sunspot group has been active for more than a week, hurling CMEs and plumes and off plasma into space from its location on the far side of the sun. Now it's turning to face Earth and shows few signs of slowing down. In a recent update by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA on Sunday, April 17th, an X1 flare was seen from the newly named region 2994. A Type 2 radio sweep on a 10 centimeter radio burst were related by this R3 strong occurrence. Yes. Maybe it's about to start. If you notice that there are transformers are exploding all around your house and the electricity goes out and you realize that the only people you can contact are maybe 200 meters away from you. If it's more than 200 meters, you have to yell or send an owl to get the message over, or a dove. Then you might be one of the first who knows what's going on, which could be a good thing. But I leave it here. Thanks for watching. And check out the new Suspicious Observers video. I will do it now.